Sabato ede nsɛm bi atodwa sɛ yɛn kanche honorable Kennedy Akompro Agyapong. Ne nyina ene sɛ obekaya na nsɛm mu ena MP ede ma Asante Achem South eye honorable Asante ede betodwa sɛ Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eye ohoho ana sɛ yebeka sɛ oye slave ewo NPP eye party no emu. Eno nti ontimi embambe ye a flag bearer of the party. Na ode sansem we no etu odwa no e na kire se NPP party ne mpanyefo ne bi enso ebeka se sansem na oka no enye asem papa. Enti ode sansem ne tu odwa no, you know, a lot of things in our AC after that. Na Ghana for ni bi no ebusa se adentina papa no ebeka sansem no in the first place. Then nam so am in the Sabato and so in Sabato. Waka in some bebre na in some no kind and been so at the accord it here honorable Kennedy Akompro Agyapong. And I feel no dry a champion any the other potential aspirants are almost standing against Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, you know, from what all can, I think he's right because as na MP no kind one can year cry. One can hear crack. It was very bad and it was very uncalled for. So as a member of Parliament, a bit me even another be beside Atuja. I had a gun and same TV. Now, we didn't just so any promise. Ubet nyaba. Now on so no be kaya home. Na yini na no article ya mana ye fe entino. Ubet subscribe. No watch the video comments you and so na like it. Me no ba kuti nsem Sabato edi Atuja. Ene insemwa Ghana enti ebusu ono bakwa kuti insemwa Sabato ede to dwana ba ne wi ayi ba bekire ya adwen ewo ebusu ya
Yambo de business obada be a wo young person na ote ha wo future wo party
eje samina me ha wate youth ni yate de yakoso enipa no bi ti second Agyapong kasa omo kasa asa mo adwene no asa yi na adwene firi ni tirim asa na adwene tonsuo mama ama ebia yesa de akohyem ama ebia kansuom o kasa ena NPP obada bay ena o kasa ena ayi fuadi Eastern region fuadi ena Northern region fuadi ena adu ye Western region me Central region foso adu Central region foso na me Kenya pom ye Central region ni san kwase ya politics na NPP fo ni bi mo ye no monsu anyansa mu a motesa na maboka na didi udi kan suanyansa papa ase udu sika kasa enu ntie se yankura bi usuban ne beka che onye osika wo usuban ne behwe so de akasa che usuban fo a wode kasa wo party nanim a wo gu party no fia wo titi party nim ena tribalism na wode ye NPP yeso ye ka che se ye be mesremi adie nim srenu onim nyansa na mom on kasa ofri Central region nti by force yen family NPP because say I osusu bedi NPP because of Central region Kenya ponso nyansa on say udidi ya yatem asante fo didi yatem da bia sorry ana wo ye traba alan ba ana asante fo ana ai monto malan ana de wo ye traba wo NPP mu do jansan fo no Kennedy Agyapong jansan fo dia wo ye wo NPP me tan Agyapong wo wintimi medi NPP ni mame menya NPP ni enye adwuma mi ametie itama wo Agyapong NPP fo beto abama pass bedi party no satan na medi NPP fo atempa the first in history anase mabakosemu anase mabrabom me first time I join NDC eyo ya ponto se bedi NPP na say NPP de dan kwase afo nkwa ne homo se NPP fo timi chusu se wo be NPP fraberia na ne nkwase afo nkwa ne wo NPP mi na meka kyerɛw panyini bia watena parliament de odi kan Agyapong che wajimfo mi na meka kyerɛw because munim yansa se kan Agyapong wono na asem party no kan Agyapong na egu party no ase kan Agyapong man te parliament nano se de apam nano ontimi nkasa parliament obegira ono ma entokwa ne atem de die nkwan ho dwuma otimi ye na wakofa kan Agyapong se o medi NPP ni me enkoto oba se ni NPP enkugo na ope NPP Danford na ope na papa ogina me odamachiwe o hwe nanim ofata president e wo Ghana munsu enyansa NPP fo ni bi na mo ye no kin no vote munsu enyansa na mo jime dodo sa tribalism na Canada Agyapong ye na Minkotinkotia. Esi abronye ene politics of insult abronye didi atemu ye mmoa wa wo ka se bia wo yaboa. Kene Japan e di atendidie eba NPP mu odi onu ane penifo atem etete akufo ado edi kufo atem edi mu NPP fo nkwasiafo a yesi obi di hen enkotia ye ni tiri ho memo ni din omu nyina di Kenya Japan che omu ye MP ye ni tiri ho ogasa aso no soso na adwene no asa kam na mi say ya no wo jimi joking memo ni so won bakro say jimi kakra wom akam odi Kenya Japan chi wote atena parliament da wo kwasua pa. Na watena parliament na Canada Japan na be NPP fraberia na open wonya aboa umbe se NPP e berusu NPP mpan fa mudi Kenya Japan che menemo ya na mushom ne se monya kokodo bi se Canada na medi party na me se na munim nyansa na se mojimi sa wo sheba wo mi agina we na ne Kenya Japan na wo se ye ntoba wo mi antwene fa Canada na wonya aboa wo da dwene wo da sunye so wo adwene de dwene Canada Japan won sem bebre ba Ghana fo benya kan fiesa snake etwe so nsuo te se condensed milk Ghana fo benya nsem tresi buache de ande kwasesema papa wo yakeka gu Ghana media so afa na mo pase do ma be kofie NDC formula revenge ewo NPP so na mo opposition mo se kofa nipa aba be di manim e de akwa win party election na se na mo se kofa nipa na won nsem do so Moko fa Kenya Japan ba na me so ale mu nyina abaya underground work etia mu they say NPP ame so ale case na anas mu nyina be so etia mu ada na NPP mu ntemu wise kakra na obenye opanyini bi no wati parliament yesi obi de sika na okasa aso no so na adwene asa na adwene ni fie yesi ba pa bi de sika na sika okasa asa na adwene wo fom na me penasam somehow ba mu bi no mama sika jimi mu dodo mu nsuo nyansa abrabo aye bo nya sika nko na de hunu nyansa ye wo fie nyansa ene ye wo asetena mu nyansa ene ye wo jimi sika ne wo nsuo jimi fo sa na tie nti mu bi mo nya opposition anase mo nyinya dibre mo nyinya sika ba mo adwene wo fom Canada Japan emedi NPP enti mu ye serious ara NPP opportunity da ose ba wo miane ma pre ba wo miano ma bia waye after election improve nipa bebra sofo bebra koma enwu ba wo miani papa pa oye na mo force de Kenya Japan asa be fight NPP Danford nti NPP for me tia no opposition na mo ba pa ma me hwe o NPP for mo ba pa ma YouTube ma me hwe mutie ye mu bia campaign me ku for by Kenya Japan nya contract me nya contract o campaign me ku he say na ku for by ku for ba NPP medi e chemanya hwe utie na do na nkura di na tam na social media save integrity obi ama me wan city obi ama me nua bi adwuma me manya adwuma nya o but stika ekotena parliament ndi se mo amubedi sa nkwase asem na kofa Kenya pon aba na ne kasa wonte ne bibia wonte ne nante enkoyie ne kasa enkoyie onu omu na wo Kenya pon wo wie ya wo yare no na wonya sika nkowu na by force mo to ba o mi atwene mo sa yiba o mi afruama ye nuanom nodness na o ma adwene besesa ahu se da bi adu tama se ba o mi ano ye so support no na yama ne be di president wo NPP na anipa adwene ba NPP so no mba o mu cheje o ma adwene ba join party na NPP ko ne nim kese no afa na mo de kan ya pop nsam se ba efie ba ibu nsam tata NPP nkoso ana mo hunu no na kase no oni president ambition so be di president ene de atwempone ne trabanti o kase anyhow me na me di na china me penasem ba atwempone wo papa we trim a o man kofo esori ti NPP lose election ene me dwana atwempone wo de tia ba omia all because say yes obi di wo usu prophet at ko usu bempa ene wa do me kuo ni wo yi nkofo free NPP wo yi alanche maten frim kote party efutuo bone wo de amana or chicken Japan so film o su bempa ba ko pe NPP asa mu di mu aso ho mu ye di mu mu party mu ye nkura no kura hunu ka kire mu ana sa ni pa ba ko pe na o su bempa no Canada Japan alanko je chematin hope sia do ye abo papa woni na atwi mu nyina free party no e ka o mabo matia party no ana mu hunu amuso so Canada Japan so ni ti sa adwe na nim o ka se ni hawo obi bia be hwe video mane nyoya papa we nu ma wo ye TMPP na ya me ya So no one party or woman party na buona. Party na buona mena jitin Kennedy Japan na. Also the good party in mase. Etiti party na yami ya. Nutina make come agina chemo chine wo hu kurano kwa yempe ensamfo a wodi na. Ensamfo no wodi. Ogoka obami ababo. Ogoka obami ekun. Ogoka oyesikani. Okun wia enyo ne kun wo onu ani bone da onya meda eno kwa enso ogoka ono de otimi kasa free. Kasa kire na yese wan kasa ye adibu aye mu ade Kenya pon na kire na medi na chi o kasa bum 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 enkoye enti kama mitia ne ka mama mitia ne ka Kenya pon omuma kasa kire ma ni how omuma Kenya pon wan fata on disabled enti wa NPP mu a o support Kenya pon senfo di na mu nyina mo pe party ni dan force mo betena fie sa me dey ese mo ba pa mo mfimi o nti sa mo ntimi nka no kora na mo to ma e ka wada mani pa ba ko pe Kennedy Japan mo ntwena so na mama ni din sika ai kokoti a mo ma nyai se video ni mo nu ya sa na ba o mi an man wore san de mo kan bi aga na 40 o mo na ese mo party
eti yan sama wakwaba bi o na pambra Ghana Nsem TV so nti nsem a eye yunwa be ma Sabato edi tudwa edi fa eye nsem a ye member of parliament edi ma Asante Akim South edi etudwa na tete no kokoti edi ba ye no minim say what the MP said no one can hear. It's very very bad, and as a member of parliament wono udi a whole constituency in but you saw this kind of words. So the people now most no be joining party no some years ago, let's say 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 8 years ago. I'm about to a member of parliament. Are you trying to tell them that they are also slaves? Is that what you are trying to also tell them? You see, it is very bad sometimes. Some of more in Penifon one, I'm causing a lot of problems our party anymore. Because as Penina wono, Udi a year a whole constituency anymore. Constituency now woman yet Christopher and now account for and now Santi for one the two Abama. There are other tribes in the constituency. So there are some things that it shouldn't even come for your mouth in the first place. What you say? You are someone that is respected as a member of parliament, and because of that respect that you're the man, you should make sure say people doesn't lose that respect for you. So the fact that you come and say something that even the person we are talking about, say no, it's very very bad. It's very very bad, and me, you see, I just laughed. Seriously, I laughed when I watched the video. I was like, bro, are you serious? Like, it was very funny, because like, and something I was asking myself, say, then and I watching when you were saying those things, what were you thinking? It is very funny that you don't even know, say, as someone I walk on a idea, a bit to me, a day or how Kesian Kasabro as a member of parliament, and you pass that comment, and you think we the Gen Zs, we the new generations in our party, would sit down for people like you to destroy the party? You think we would sit down for people like you to destroy the party? We will not. We would not sit down for people like you to destroy the party. So whatever you said, I don't know who advised you to say all those things, but I can tell you on authority that that's the biggest mistake you've ever made. It's a big mistake. And whoever taught you, say, the cancer seminar, are a big mistake to you. And it's going to cost you your seat. It's going to cost you your seat. It is very bad. Say baby suffer and nobody, but I don't know. I can't blame you. I don't know Nipa or two for say because I asked in the first place. Nipa or two for. I don't know what the person told you. I don't know what you were thinking in the first place when you were saying all these things. What were you thinking, bro? Sometimes let's be serious. Let's be serious. Try to understand that we are dealing with human beings. You are dealing with human beings, and you would like someone to come and vote for you one day. And they are trying to tell that same person that